Ready to transform your LinkedIn profile from a digital dust bunny to a magnet for opportunity? First, let's head over to LinkedIn and sign in, or sign up if you don't have an account once you're logged in. Click on your profile picture in the top navigation bar and select View Profile. Now, let's get started on building a professional presence. Click the Edit Public Profile and URL option on the right-hand side. This allows you to customize the visibility of your profile to control what information the public sees. A professional headshot is your digital handshake. Upload a clear, friendly photo against a simple background. Think approachable and confident. Your headline is Prime Real Estate. Ditch the generic job title and instead focus on what you do, the problems you solve, and how you can help prospective connections. For example, instead of saying project manager, you could say project manager, helping companies streamline processes and achieve results. This is where you tell your story. Write a compelling summary highlighting your key skills, experience, and career aspirations. Think of it as your elevator pitch, concise and engaging. Tailor it to the types of roles you're seeking. Detail your work experience using action verbs to describe your responsibilities and accomplishments. Quantify your achievements whenever possible. Numbers speak volumes. For example, instead of saying managed social media, say managed social media, resulting in a 30% increase in follower engagement. Add relevant skills and seek endorsements from your connections. The more endorsements you have, the higher you'll rank in search results. Connect with people in your industry, past colleagues, and potential employers. Don't be afraid to personalize your connection requests. A simple message shows you've taken the time to learn about them. Finally, engage with content, share your insights, and participate in relevant groups to build your network and establish yourself as a thought leader. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a powerful LinkedIn profile that attracts opportunities and advances your career. Good luck!